Now I want to select the non-continuous ranges of cells. Non-continuous. Maybe I want to select it from A column some cells, C column some cells, E column some cells. Now you can use Shift F8. Shift F8. Earlier we used just F8. Now I am pressing Shift F8. On the bottom you can see it shows the message add or remove selection. Add or remove selection. Now multiple range of cells can be selected here. Multiple non-continuous ranges of cells. Non-adjacent cells. For example, I am selecting this first range. I am not holding any key, just I am selecting the first range. I can just drag and I am selecting the first range. And I go to the second range, I am selecting the second range. And I go to the third range, I am selecting the third range. And I am selecting the fourth range. Like this, multiple ranges of cells can be selected.